back up on the roof. It's now May 2024 and the roof looks beautiful. Look at this. Had no problems. It withstood rain, hail, sleet, all kinds of weather, high winds. Got a little bit of mud debris right there from a black phoebe nest. So I'm taking off the rotten slats from the patio cover and I'm replacing it with solid plywood. There it is right there. But I need to create a slope from this end down to this end for the new roof to go on. I have to go up at least 5 inches on this end to get the proper slope. What would you do? I can either take off this end, move it up on top of the ledger, or I can get a 2x6 and rip it to create the slope and get 2 pieces out of each 2x6 and attach them to the top. What would you do? Put a board next to the one you want to snap on, the nail in it. Pull it down to the corner where you want to snap. Well, here I am on the hot roof today. It's about 85 degrees, 10% humidity. Perfect day to put roofing material on, but not a perfect day to be alive under those conditions. This isn't a how-to video, but let me show you a few things. I'm doing this by myself. We put a solid plywood roof on top of what used to be a lattice roof. Used to look like that. Now it's solid plywood. That's what you're looking at is the black petroleum ATM D41 type asphalt primer that primes the metal and the plywood so that I can put down one layer. I just wanted to show you that I'm using a helper here. Usually you want to do this with 2 or 3 people so that people can hold the ends, but I figured out I could just as easily clamp the ends in place, and then I took the liner off of the first section there and glued it down, and it went down pretty easily actually. I'm stressing over it, but it's the first time I've done this type of work. And it looks like it's working out. So let me get back to it. Back in the shade again for a short break. I'm working on the 3rd course now. Got 2 layers down. Working on the 3rd one. I just wanted to point out that if you're going to do the clamping method, which seems to be working quite well, make sure that when you clamp this edge, you clamp on the other side of the release seam. So from here over, you don't want to trap this part of the release under the clamp. Beautiful day here today in Temecula. Where's the golfers? Well, they'll be by in a while. But I would highly recommend this roofing system. Tight. It's on tight all the way around. And there you have it.